starts here.
The cross into the box. Robson-Kanu is there. Hal Robson-Kanu, what a turn! Robson-Kanu! And Wales take the lead against Belgium.
More medals on the track for Team GB, Owain Doull and Eleanor Barker. Take a bow.
All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Yes, nice one, guys.
And it's Aaron Moores. Sensational from the Welshman.
You're going to bob down, push off, underwater dolphin legs, and then you're just going to swim front crawl to where I am and stop.
Simply stunning.
Brilliant by James Davis. And his teammates know just how important that was.
And Hannah Mills takes gold. What a moment for the young Welsh sailor. She truly is an inspiration for up-and-coming sailors across Wales.